Okay, here we are. Strawberries going really good. Garlic a little bit average. These potato onions are going great. Again, strawberries good. Reason for this video, I started harvesting. I didn't think I was going to get much. That's about the first plant and a half, if you like. So pretty happy with that thus far. Carrots are crazy. The cayenne pepper is just starting to get nice and green and grow well. Dear old blueberries. Oregano. I wasn't sure what to do with these potatoes because they've been dying back, but look, they're sprouting again. I don't know. Raspberries are going great. I think things are on track for next year, and I've got to do it. I've got to do it. Oh, look at that. Where are we? There we are. Hey? In it goes. Oh, wow. Oh, yummo. There we are. Just yum. So I think last year's wood is what does the trick, because obviously this is a lovely looking plant but no raspberries, but then last year's wood in this plant didn't take off. As you can see, no sprouts on that, but on this plant, this is this year's wood, no fruit, and this came off last year's wood, and we got a little shoot down the bottom. So interesting. And more spuds over here, and I've planted a couple of tomatoes on this side. See how we go. That's just my compost heap. So yeah, I'll hopefully tag on the end my potato harvest. So back in a minute. So just harvested what I thought were the potatoes that were ready, and here we go. So some of those are green, so obviously I have to be careful of those. Perhaps I'll use them as seeds, but the rest, yum yum. Okay, washed, sorted and drying. They're the ones I peel and cook. They're my baby potatoes. There's a couple with a tinge of green, but not too bad. And then there's the really too green to eat ones here. So lessons learned. Don't plant too deep. Plant, a couple of centimetres below the surface, and then when the plant leaves up and it's got all its shoots coming out, then hill it up and then leave it. I think what my problem was, I planted them too deep and presumed that where I planted the potato was where the new potatoes would form, and that was not the case on any plant. All the potatoes were at or near or just below ground level. So lesson learned, don't do that. Don't plant too deep and expect the potatoes to form down there. Just plant normally, and then when the shoots come up, hill up and leave it at that, which is basically what everybody's been telling everybody to do for years. I wanted to try something different. Didn't really, well, it worked okay. I got a good feed, but it didn't really work, if you know what I mean. So, yeah, lessons learned for next time. Cheers.